beef. I'm going to be using these shrimp. They have the shells on. They're bigger. That's why I picked them. Sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, butter, lemon juice, rice pilaf, that's my side, and then a little bit of white wine of your choice. I just have this Riesling, so I'm just going to pour like a little bit. And then minced garlic. Well, I'm going to start by taking the shells off my shrimp. So these shrimp are deveined, but they're not peeled. And that's sometimes how you get bigger shrimp for less money. Because you can buy them peeled and deveined. You can buy them not even deveined yet, but I just buy them deveined because you don't want that part in the back. So if your shrimp are not clean, please, God, please clean your shrimp. Okay, like I was saying, I like to take just a little bit of olive oil. I'm not a chef, I never claim to be, I'll just be cooking. So I like to just take a little bit of olive oil. We need some regular olive oil, this smells like farts. Make sure the shrimp are nice and coated. You can use your hands, I like to use my hands sometimes too, but I'm on camera being cute for one. And for two, I just don't feel like my nails, I don't feel like all that under my fingernails and stuff. So, little tiny bit of black pepper. Un poco. Sea salt. Garlic powder. Wipe these shrimp up. You tripping. You tripping. Why? Okay. So I'm making my rice pilaf now, y'all, because it takes 20 minutes to cook, but it's really good. So I'm gonna start this now. You know, shrimp take no time. If you didn't know shrimp took no time, you're overcooking your shrimp. Shrimp take 2 seconds to cook, literally. So I'm gonna start melting my butter for my shrimp while watching the rice pilaf because it has to toast. Still in the kitchen doing the full with the grits. Okay, so I'm gonna just put hella garlic, minced garlic directly into the butter. Tiny bit of Riesling. Like the tiniest bit ever. Little tiny bit. So this is what my garlic is looking like. It's currently on a 2, which is almost low. So I'm gonna turn it up just a little tiny bit. I would say it's like 3. 3 and a little, 3.5. I'm gonna turn this up to like here. All right, so I'm gonna let this do its thing for just a little bit longer. Oh my gosh, it's starting to smell really good. So I'm gonna wait till it smells just a little more fragrant, and then I'm gonna add my shrimp directly to this. I'm gonna add my shrimp now. Their butter bag. So I put them all in here. Now they're a beautiful mosaic of shrimp. Gorgeous. So I'm gonna let these do their thing for a little minute, and I'll show you what they look like when it's time to flip them. Okay, so if you notice, my shrimp are starting to, like around here, they're starting to turn pink. So when it starts to turn pink, the other side pink, you need to turn them over. Very same chick. Yeah, we talked about her. Y'all ain't slick. Hey. Because you don't want them to get overcooked, but you want both sides to hit the, you know, little marinade or whatever. Flipping on my shrimps. Okay, welcome back. Shrimp are basically done. I'm going to kill the heat. I'm going to add just a touch of lemon juice. This is just regular sit in this little butter sauce for a minute. My broccoli, I love steaming back broccoli, it's almost done. My rice is done. Look at that, that looks delicious. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you next time I make something.